Hey sis, my birthday is less than a month away, and as you can see by this big box in my lap, I did a thing over the weekend just to kick off my celebration. So if you want to see what's in this bag, it is not what you think it is. Just keep watching. Hey sis, my name is Dre and welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. Over here we talk about luxury, contemporary handbags and accessories, lifestyle, and just staying fly on a budget. So if those are things that you're interested in, then you should definitely subscribe. But anyway, I don't want to take too much time today in this video. Just wanted to show you what I picked up for my birthday. Well, one of the things that I picked up for my birthday. You'll probably be getting a series of videos for me this month leading up to December the 16th, which is my actual birthday. So I've already ordered a couple of things that'll be coming in. So you'll see a couple of unboxings and, just a few little miscellaneous things that I pick up. So just keep tuned, stay tuned for that. But right now I wanted to talk about LV. Now, Louis Vuitton has been on my list, and not in a good way, for the last couple of years, just because my salary just has not been able to keep up with the price increases. And so I've been put in my place and level checked by Louis Vuitton, just more than I would like to admit this year. But I did want to get something special for myself for my birthday. And so I was trying to figure out what I could get without breaking the bank. So I did find something that fit in my budget that I'm really happy with, and I wanted to share with you guys. But I'm going to sit this bag down here for a minute, because first I wanted to talk about a couple of things that I saw in the store while I was there. One of the things I kind of wanted to briefly go over was what I'm thinking is the it bag this year, and that's that what is it, the monogram, the loop GM with the reverse monogram. Now I've seen this bag online, the last couple of months, and it's, I haven't really paid it any attention, mainly because I just tend to not gravitate towards bags that large, because it really is a big bag, and it's like a hobo, so it's kind of a slouchy type bag. They don't always look right on my frame, so I tend to shy away from those. So that bag has just really never really it's just slid under my radar. I've just not been interested. But sis, when I tell you, when I got in that store and saw that bag in person, she is absolutely gorgeous. And I mean gorgeous. It's not something that I will have, because again, it's just not in my budget. My bank account and annual income is not set up for a $3,000 bag. But I've got my tablet here because I just wanted to kind of go over the details of this bag with you guys in case you haven't seen it in person and might be interested. So it is the monogram canvas, but it has the reverse monogram going around like the bottom of the bag. Really, really beautiful detail. I love the fact that the leather on this bag is already treated, and it's that perfect amber colored leather where it looks like a really dark, even patina. So you're not gonna have to worry about patina on this bag. I wish Louis would actually do that with more of their bags. Start putting some of the treated leather on their monogram pieces. But this bag is awesome. It has a removable chain strap, and then it also has a removable long strap that you can wear like a crossbody. And if I'm not mistaken, it actually also comes with a pochette. So this bag is 15 inches in length, 10 by 2 inches in height, and 3.9 inches in width. So like I stated earlier, it's the monogram and monogram reverse coated canvas. It's got the cowhide leather trim that's already been treated, so we don't have to worry about uneven vachetta, water stains, all of that stuff. It's lined in microfiber. And it does have the removable zipper pouch. So that's a good thing. And it's a small pouch. It looks like about the size of the pouch that came with the Neverfull PM when the Neverfull was first introduced, and they first added the pouch to that bag. The PM size pouch, this is what it looks like. it's like a smaller pouch. But it's got a double zip closure. It's got a removable adjustable strap. I already mentioned that. The strap drop is 12.12 inches, and then the max is going to be 19.7 on the chain. The chain drop 19.7, that's on the leather strap. The chain drop is 8.7 inches. So guys, this bag is just so beautiful in person. Like really, this internet, like what you see online, to me, honestly, it does this bag no justice. Like if I had never seen this bag in person, I would have never been interested. And now I'm mad I can't afford it. But anyway, it retails at $27.80, and it's a really nice bag. So if it's something that's in your price range and you like larger style hobo bags, it's definitely worth checking out, because again, it looks like it would be a hard wearing bag. Even though it's the monogram canvas, you don't have to worry about the light untreated vachetta leather. So I think this would be a really good everyday bag. So you could definitely get your cost per wear if you could afford to spend $3,000 on a bag. I just can't. But anyway, the other thing that I was looking at, and this is more in my budget, something that I would not really have to save up for if I wanted to spend the money. But you know, they come out, they always do like a limited or a special edition for some of their SLGs. So this year they got the Kirigami pochette. Now it's a little more expensive than just the regular Kirigami. I think the regular one is like $7.45, just the regular with the monogram canvas. And then, but this one, it has, I guess it's the holiday edition. So on here it has Vivian, and she's skating and sledding, and you can see like the snow. And the inside on these pouches, like on the original Kirigamis, I think the inside of the pouches are all different colors, but on these they're all pink. They're all the same color and they're all pink. I don't know if this is Rose Ballerine. I didn't bother to actually open it up when I was in the store. So looking at this online, it looks like a deeper pink than Rose Ballerine, but I could be wrong. This looks more like a bubblegum pink than the powder pink that they put inside of like the Neverfull and some of the other pieces. But anyway, this retails for $840. So this is really cute. This would be more budget friendly for somebody who wanted something from Louis Vuitton but wanted to still keep it under $1,000. And guys, it's getting increasingly difficult to get anything worth something at Louis Vuitton for less than $1,000. So this would be one of those things that I would probably keep my eye on and plan to get if I just wanted to have something from LV before it reaches the $1,000 plus price range, because the way they're going with their increases, I don't really see this staying within that under $1,000 price range too long. So anyway, that's my 2 cents on that. I just kind of wanted to talk a little bit about those two items that I was looking at the store. But let's get to the reason why you guys are really here. And this is this huge box right here. So I actually ordered this online, and I waited for it to come. And so I went and picked it up Friday. So it's got the holiday, bow on here. And I haven't opened it up since I got it. Like, I knew what it was. I knew there was no way for it to be defective or anything. So I wasn't worried about, like, having to return it or exchange. So, but y'all know what this looks like. Y'all know what the Louis Vuitton boxes are. Y'all know it's got the little magnetic flap right here. And it opens up huge. And what is inside is the coffee table book, the Carbon Pressure and Time coffee table book with Pharrell on the cover. So guys, I actually talked about this book in my last video. So this is one of those items that I think would be a really good gift for someone if you were trying to keep it under $100. This particular book was only $65. And guys, it's heavy. Like, when I brought this home, like, my husband was so mad when he saw me come in the house with this huge bag, and he grabbed it, and it was so heavy, he actually thought it was a bag. Like, I know you just didn't go blow a couple stacks on a bag. I'm like, bruh, nah, I did it. It's a book. But look, I just thought this would be really nice just to have on a coffee table. And the inside, oh, this is really nice. So the inside has a lot of his jewelry designs. Yeah, this is nice. This is a really nice book to have. I like this. So I don't want to take the plastic off, so I'm hoping that you guys can really get a good look at the cover without me taking off the protective plastic or sleeve, because I don't want to take it off. But this is what the back of the book looks like. So this is it. This is the Pharrell Carbon Pressure and Time, A Book of Jewels by Louis Vuitton. The only thing that I will be able to afford in his collection, unfortunately. But if the purse gods did just shine down on me and told me that I could pick one thing from his collection, I would probably go with the green Speedy. Like, that green Speedy is just speaking to me. So, but anyway, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I just wanted to share with you what I picked up at Louis Vuitton and talk about a couple of things that I wish I could afford at LV. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified when I upload new videos. Until the next time we see each other, take care of yourself and each other. Bye.